Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB2267602 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to open Windows settings and then go to Windows Update, and over here you can see pause update options. So click on pause over here, and once paused, this may take some time. Once paused, now click on resume updates and then you can try to update. Still not working, then type in services in Windows search box, then click on services. Find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Make a right click on app readiness and then click on restart. Find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. And then make a right click on background intelligent transfer service and then click on restart. And once this is done, now scroll down. Somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. So make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. And once this is done, now you can go back, and if you see retry option over here, you can click on retry and then try to update once again. Still not working. The next step is to run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, and make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator, and then click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command and then paste it on the same window, and once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the third command and then paste it on the same window, hit the enter key, and once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use fix problems using Windows Update option. So you can open Windows settings. Now before that, you can try this. So open Windows settings and then go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down. Here you can see recovery option, click on recovery. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is complete, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file, and then click on yes to allow. Click on accept over here, and then by default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once the download is complete, click on finish and then let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once this is closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept, and here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then you can try to update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to update your Windows 11 successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.